Okay, here we go. Come and get your love. This is your next lesson. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron here. This is a good song, Come and Get Your Love by Redbone. Pretty easy to play, too. But now I'll be able to do with this song, since it's easier, the left hand first and then the right hand. Some of them more, a little bit more harder songs I can't do that with because it just screws everything up. But this is pretty easy. Okay, the song starts out like this. So there's how it starts. Let me play it again. You'll be doing on the D. So it's just basically to get your get the feel of it. I'll do it again. And then the left hand will go. Let's see if I can get it. Let's say it's make sure I get it. Hey, hey, what's the matter with you? Feel right? Oh yeah, just like that. Hey, hey, it did your mind and your fun and your so divine. Then I come and get your love. See how that is? Come and get your love. So it's all the way to get your voice. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. See, you got the lead in there, but I'm giving you the main structure of the song. And then your right hand is going to do this. Hey, hey, what's the matter with you? Feel right? Oh yeah. Hey, hey, you can give it for your mind and you'll find and you look so divine. Now see the way I'm stretching out? Use any fingering you can, or that feels comfortable to you. I just got kind of longer fingers. So it works best for me just to stretch it a little bit. So it's going hey, hey, what's the matter with you head now? All right, see how I'm doing it? Hey, hey, do, and you shine and you look so divine. Come and get your love. Just get your rhythm with it. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. It's still awkward me to play one at a time. Okay, now we put them together. So that's hey, hey, what's the matter with your head? Yeah, all right. See how I'm doing that? Hey, hey, so it's the same all the way through. So here we go. We're going like this. We're going. Hey, hey, what's the matter with you? Feel like alright. Hey, hey, you can leave it 'cause you're mine and you're fine and you look so divine. Come and get your love. 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 Of course, you'll hear that guitar part in there. But like I said, you're playing this all the way through. So the beginning, you do this. one part where it goes, yeah, it goes like this. It goes, come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. Come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. See, it stays the same. Come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. Come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. Like that. Come and get your love. So it's pretty easy song. It's all to do with getting your voice with it. You know, getting your voice how it's doing. And the very end will go like this. You'll come back and you'll go. And then it goes la 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 la. La 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 la. See? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So it's a pretty easy song. Remember the beginning? And then the end too. Hey, what's the matter with your headlight? Alright. I'll go real slow with it. Hey, what's the matter with your headlight? Alright. Hey, you can give it, but you're mine and you're fine and you look so divine. Of course. Come and get your love. See, once you get it, you want to get that rhythm in there. Come and get your love. 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 Come and get your love now. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Come and get your love now. So it's all to do with the where you get your voice all the way through the whole song. Then the end. There you go. Come and Get Your Love by Redbone. And it's pretty easy. Just keep working with it, get your rhythm. That's the whole song. I knew this video wouldn't take very long. Now you're going to see your what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time, later.
I think I'll go get me a 12 pack.